Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a date field in a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF form and I'll insert here date field. Now select this form option and this is date field icon. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor to date field anywhere. Now select right button and select properties dialog box. Properties dialog box is a general option. You can say date field name. You can make it hidden, read only required as appearance option. You can add border color, field color, I'll not add anything, and font size I'll show auto. Now select option menu. Date field will show center or right or shows center, and this format. This select format category is date field. You can choose time, percentage number and so on. And it's a date and it's date format. Scroll down and choose your date format. And it is month, date and year. This one. Now select close. And select hand option. Click on this field and select your date. This one and see this. The date field date now showing here. You can change it. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.